Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we will learn A for apple to Z for zebra. Before that, please subscribe my channel. Come on, let's start. A for apple. Apple. B for ball. Ball. C for cat. Cat. D for dog. Dog. E for elephant. Elephant. F for fish. Fish. G for goat. Goat. H for hen. Hen. I for ice cream. Ice cream. J for jug. Jug. K for kite. Kite. L for lion. Lion. M for monkey. Monkey. N for nest. Nest. O for orange. Orange. P for parrot. Parrot. Q for queen. Queen. R for rose. Rose. S for star. Star. T for tiger. Tiger. U for umbrella. Umbrella. V for van. Van. W for water. Water. X for xylophone. Xylophone. Y for yarn. Yarn. Z for zebra. Zebra. Thank you for watching my video. If you like my video, like, share, subscribe my channel. Bye bye.